Hello and welcome to I'm at CMT Stuttgart. This is an LMC Cruiser 740EL, 738 centimeter long. Motorhome, costs around 100,000 nearly, and it is 738 by 232, 2 or 4 sleeping places. But hey, the bad news is really here, because if we look here, ready to go weight, okay, so that's a 3 tons, and that's the average now. But by the time you add up the special equipment, 336, that doesn't leave you a great deal of payload, does it? So if you don't weigh anything, you're not thinking of taking anything with you, then this should be okay. We've got a step up here, but at 100,000 I would expect a flat floor. Here I'm just not going to get one. We've got it does have a double floor. In there we'll find the water tank. We've got a light, an area, I would say, to a certain extent, lounge here. But what I do think you could do with is not a usual sized skylight, but it needs a bigger one, even though it's an MPK, which is my favorite skylight manufacturer. So that's to my left we have sink, and here induction, as well as 2 gas hobs there. German layout at the back, looks rather similar to those in the Heimer vehicles. Of course, LMC is a Heimer brand. Well, if you've seen my videos before, you'll know I don't like shelves unless there's a because they can't hold things in. Under here though, we've got drawers here, drawers there, and we've got hanging space there. We've got access to the garage through there, and more storage. This of course will come forward to give us a very large bed at the back. Storage in here as well, and this looks quite good as well. Let's have a look at the next one down. Yeah, that's okay. Behind me here, behind this sensible sliding door, which doesn't want to open for some reason. Oh. Well, this for some reason appears to be already broken, but so I can't get in to show you the toilet. And there's the fridge over there. Now, if you'd been in here a little when I started filming the first time, I've got this thing here in my hand to show you how it worked, and the whole thing came off in my hand. And that goes in. I don't know where it goes, to be honest. That's a good idea. So, I've got to say this, from the little bit I've seen of this vehicle, things are broken, and this is the very first. It's only just arrived, see, hardly anybody's been in here so far, but in my opinion, that is something I certainly would not recommend. Anyway, thanks for watching, hope you found that interesting, and all the best. Bye for now.